Hey there, welcome. In this quick tutorial, we are going to show you that how to change your TikTok name. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. How to change name on TikTok? Open the TikTok app, click on the profile. Click on edit profile. You can see here name. You can change your nickname can only be changed every 7 days. You can change it again after. I have changed my name recently, that's why I again changed name after 7 days. In this way you can change your name. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.